welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is an Ankara inspired makeup look. I'm just gonna talk you guys through the palettes that I used to create this look. I basically used just one palette, So Lush eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna open this up. So this is what the inside looks like. So that's the brand name up there, and this is what the palette looks like. I mixed two colors together to achieve a transitioning color, and I use cocoa and fine wine. Cocoa right here, cocoa and fine wine right here. And I use Baby Boo as my brow bone highlights. So the main color of this tutorial is actually this shade right here, this dark blue eyeshadow right here, and it's called Rude Boy. This is Laurent from Lena Lashes, and this is Limbo from Colourpop. So I had to mix these two shades to get this color, this berry color on my lip. For my brows, this is what I use, LA Girl gel liner in dark brown. Okay guys, this is the finished look. If you want to see another Ankara inspired makeup look, please make sure to comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like and share this video, and if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful look right here, please stay tuned.
I would drive 1,000 miles.
gonna be mixing two lipsticks together, a brown and a red, just to give me like a deep red. This look right here, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, and I love it.